Minsan na bang may nagtanong sa inyong newbie kung ano bang best camera to use as a beginner? Pero ang lagi ko lang sagot dyan is the one that you already have is the best camera that you can use. So I'm talking about our phones. Dahil mga phones ngayon, kaya na mag-shoot. Well, most of them. Kaya na mag-shoot ng RAW, can edit on the go, can change, professional settings. At hindi mo naman need ng fancy camera to start your, photography hobby eh. And ang dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin is how to compose, yung exposure triangle, to be creative, ganun. Huwag mo masyado isipin yung specs. Kasi ngayon, puro specs na lang yung usapan eh. Wala na yung, photography itself. So, kung naisipan mo mang mag-start ng iyong photography career, start ka muna, on the basic of everything. So, yun lang masasabi ko.